Westermans here again with the PW-B3 position single-sided spot welder or poke welder, or can be used with a scissor type arm. This one's actually at present got the scissor. Various options on the PW guns, single-sided there, or obviously bigger guns. Machine single phase, 2.5 kVA. Machine is as new, or you could say new. A little bit of material in there, and hold it at the same time as doing this, which I doubt very much. Maybe. As you can see, that's actually stuck together, or should we say welded together. Two bits of copper mesh. Obviously the machine will do stainless, mild steel, as long as it's thin gauge material. More details available from westermans.com. Thank you for looking.